Catch me on the downslide, I'll be heading up in the wild, chilling low key.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing my new Montana Knife Company Packout Skinning knife. So let's take a look at what is inside this box. So here you have a description of the Packout Skinning knife, you can see. Which is pretty cool, gives the dimensions and everything. And then, looks like we have a really cool decal with some orange and maybe black and army green paracord. This is a slick decal. Really thick too. This is pretty badass. They've got some really cool wrapping that they do. Look at the box, no way. Looks like they tell you who it was packaged by, sharpened by, quality control. These little card that has all that. Pretty cool. Really cool handle. I love it. I got the orange and black because I do hunt a lot of big game. That was kind of goes along with the orange we're required to wear. Really cool Kydex sheath that comes with it. That's included. Check this out. I did take the liberty to tie the paracord on with a loop that I can fit around my hand while I'm skinning, so the knife I don't drop it or lose it, whatever. Check this thing out. It's beautiful. Even has a warning on the box that it is extremely sharp from the factory. So if you like these videos, please like and subscribe and keep posted for others. I will be